AV Access ARC HDMI extender. This is about better audio quality and a simple setup for your home theater. Let's see what you will get in the package. The transmitter, the receiver, a power adapter with 3 different power cords, an IR receiving cable and emitter cable, 4 mounting brackets with screws, 3 Phoenix male connectors, and the product manual. Setup preparation. First, use TV and AVR that support ARC if you're using ARC to return your TV sound to the AVR. Second, use certified HDMI 2.0 cables or above in order to transmit 4K Ultra HD images. Third, make sure your Ethernet cable have enough capacity to handle the transmission distance and desired resolutions. You'll find this information in the manual. Let's set it up in 5 steps. Step 1. Connect the transmitter to your AVR. Use an HDMI cable to connect the transmitter to the AVR. Remember to use the port that supports ARC feature. Have your media sources well connected to the AVR. Step 2. Connect the transmitter and receiver. Connect the transmitter and receiver using a CAT cable. Step 3. Hook up the receiver to the TV. Connect the receiver to the TV using an HDMI cable. Hook up the HDMI port that supports ARC. Step 4. Power the HDMI extender. As this model supports bidirectional POC, you can plug in only the transmitter or the receiver, and the other kit will have the power supply as well. Step 5. Connect the IR receiver and emitter cable. In order to control your TV box or Blu-ray player far away from the TV end, you shall connect the IR receiver cable to the HDMI receiver and the IR emitter cable to the HDMI transmitter. There are IR in and out ports on both kits. If you want to control the other way around, just swap the IR cables. Remember to switch audio control to the ARC position to enable the feature. The setup is perfectly done now. Optional step, SPDIF connection. If you want to use the SPDIF as a complementary method to transmit TV's audio, use SPDIF cables. Connect the transmitter to your AVR and the receiver to your TV. When you switch to SPDIF in, and the sound will be transmitted via the SPDIF port. AV Access ARC extender. Simplify your home theater setup. If you found this video helpful, welcome to like and subscribe to us for more updates. See you next time.